In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about add-ins in Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, we have the add-in groups, and add-ins are like apps. If you use smartphone or an iPhone, you know that you have apps that you can download from the App Store or from Play Store and install it on your phone. So add-in is just something like that. It is a place whereby you can download apps, or better still, you can say plugins, so that you will use them. For example, I have this add in here called Type Math that it allows you to type math in Microsoft Word. Now if I click on add in, it's gonna open this right here, and these are the apps, and this is what I've already downloaded. I have this chat GPT for MS Word. We have ChatGPT for Excel Word. We have a lot of them. We have Autopilot. We have a lot of add-ins. So the ones you are okay with, you just click on add to add it into your Microsoft Word, and that is how add-ins works in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video for more content like this.